Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your PNC bank account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your PNC bank account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in pnc.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for PNC login on the Google itself like this and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see there is the pnc.com. click over there, and on the first result we are on the home page. Similarly, you can see this is also the home page of PNC. So let's close one of these. Now to log into your PNC bank account, you can see the sign on option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign on, and after that you can see these dialog boxes. You'll be required to enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your PNC bank account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your ID or your password, simply click on forgot ID or password to go through a procedure to retrieve your ID or password depending upon which one you lost. Or you can just simply create an account over here. If you have not yet created an account on PNC, click on enroll in online banking to go through a procedure to create an account on PNC bank. And there guys, this is how you log into your PNC bank account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.